Do you know how mozzarella is made? There are some special ingredients that you should know about. Now, mozzarella, that creamy, dreamy cheese we all love to pull apart on our pizzas, is actually a product of a fascinating process. Originating from the southern regions of Italy, this delightful dairy product has since traveled the world, making its mark in various cuisines. The magic of mozzarella begins with three key ingredients: milk, rennet and citric acid. Milk, of course, is the star of the show, providing the base for our cheese. Rennet, an enzyme found in the stomach of ruminant mammals, plays a crucial role in curdling the milk. And citric acid? It's the secret sauce that gives mozzarella its unique, stretchy quality. Indeed, the creation of mozzarella is a symphony of science and culinary artistry, transforming simple ingredients into something truly sublime. Piqued your curiosity? Let's dive into the fascinating process of making mozzarella. Making mozzarella requires a few simple yet crucial ingredients. At the heart of it all is milk. Creamy, rich and full of potential, it's the canvas upon which we'll paint our cheesy masterpiece. Next, we introduce rennet into the mix. This fascinating enzyme is the catalyst that transforms our milky medium into curdled artistry. It's a bit like the director of our dairy drama. Without it, the milk would never quite hit its mark. Then there's citric acid. This unassuming compound holds the keys to mozzarella's distinctive texture and tang. It's the secret sauce, the unexpected twist in our tale of cheese creation. Think of it as the plot twist that keeps you glued to your seat. But remember, the real magic lies not just in what you use, but how you use it. Quality ingredients are the backbone of any great mozzarella, so choose wisely, my friends. With our ingredients ready, it's time to start the magical process. The first step in making mozzarella is curdling the milk. This, my friends, is where the magic begins. The milk is gently warmed, and then we introduce our first guest of honor, citric acid. This isn't just your everyday acid, oh no. It's the secret weapon that gives mozzarella its distinct tangy flavor. You see, the citric acid lowers the pH of the milk, creating an environment where the proteins can bond together. Now hold on to your hats because we're adding our second special guest, rennet. Rennet is a mix of enzymes that really gets the party started. It interacts with the casein in the milk, causing it to go from a liquid to a gel-like state. Yes, you heard it right, we're turning milk into jelly. But this is no dessert, this is the birth of a cheese superstar. The process might sound simple, but it's a delicate dance of chemistry. Too little rennet and the milk won't set. Too much, and you'll end up with a curd that's as tough as old boots. The perfect balance is key, and achieving it is an art. So there you have it, the curdling process. A symphony of science and art, all playing out in a humble pot of milk. Now that we have our curd, it's time for the next step. The curd is now ready for cutting and cooking. Now, this isn't a culinary duel, but a delicate dance of dairy transformation. With a long knife, the curd is cut into small, uniform pieces. Think of it as a cubist's dream, a cheese mosaic, if you will. This is not just for aesthetics, but serves a crucial purpose. By increasing the surface area, we speed up the whey expulsion. It's all about efficiency in the cheese world. As our curd cubes sit, they release whey, that's the watery part of milk, but we don't want our mozzarella swimming in whey, do we? So it's time to turn up the heat, but gently. We're not cooking up a storm here, but coaxing the curd to give up its excess whey. Slowly, the temperature is raised, not too hot, not too cold, just right. With gentle stirring, the curd begins to shrink and harden like a cheese spa treatment. This gentle heat and stirring combo is vital to achieving that signature mozzarella consistency. It's a bit like Goldilocks porridge, too soft and it won't hold, too hard and it's not mozzarella. The heat, the stirring, the time, they all play a part in this curd symphony. As the curd reaches the right consistency, we move on to the most exciting part. So buckle up, cheese lovers. We're about to stretch and shape our way to mozzarella perfection. Stretching and shaping is what gives mozzarella its unique texture. Now this is where the magic happens. The heated curd is taken and stretched, not unlike a baker kneading dough. This isn't a race, mind you, but a gentle process that requires patience and a bit of elbow grease. As the curd is stretched, it begins to transform, becoming glossier and smoother, much like a pearl emerging from an oyster. Now onto the shaping. The glossy mass is then shaped into balls, each one a perfect sphere of creamy deliciousness. And here's a fun fact for you. Squeezing these mozzarella balls can be a great stress buster, much like those squishy stress balls. But unlike those, these you can eat. So there you have it. Just by stretching and shaping, you've turned simple curd into a gourmet delight. And voila! You have your homemade mozzarella. So that's how you make mozzarella at home. Quite a journey from a humble jug of milk to a delightful ball of cheese, isn't it? It starts with gathering the right ingredients, then moving on to the curdling process, where the magic truly begins. After that, it's all about cutting and cooking the curd, before stretching and shaping it into the classic mozzarella we all love. Trying this process at home might seem like a bit of a challenge, but the satisfaction of crafting your own cheese is second to none. And let's not forget the unparalleled taste of homemade mozzarella. It's fresh, it's flavorful, and it's made by you. So, why not give it a try? Roll up your sleeves, get your hands a little cheesy, and let the magic of mozzarella making unfold in your very own kitchen. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to support our team.